Welcome back to the channel, track fans. Before we dive into what might be one of the most electrifying performances of the season, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell because you do not want to miss what comes next. Today we are talking about the queen herself, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the face of Jamaican sprinting. A woman who continues to defy time, logic, and every doubter in her path. This race is more than just another 100-meter final. It's a statement, a reminder that experience, power, and heart can still conquer youth and hype. Now, let's head straight to the track.
Brianna Williams, Olympic champion at 4x1 last year, World Junior champion in 100, 200 back in 2018, 6th at the World Championship Indoor this year.
Dominique Clark, running unattached.
Dominique Clark stepping up to deliver a special performance in a very hot race.
Julia Smith in 7 MVP International.
Yeah, great to see her back. 2019 World Championship medalist in the 4x1, had a setback last year, but good to see her back up and running.
Jodine Williams of Racers in 8.
Has been running on the local circuit at the Velocity Fest meets and the Jubilee Series. Let's see if she can get through to the semifinals.
So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in 4, the world leader, 10.67 seconds. And she ran it twice for good measure. Most recently, just this past weekend in Paris. So she's made the trip, the long flight home. She's back in the 100 meters here and already has a bye to the World Championships.
In the 100 meters.
Set.
And cleanly away, good start for Brianna Williams. Fraser-Pryce also has a good start, so too Ramona Burchell. It's Fraser-Pryce, Williams and Burchell. Fraser-Pryce steps away and looks superb. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 10.69. That's the flash time. That is the flash time for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Let's see the wind. It's legal for Fraser-Pryce. 10.70 for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Okay, what's very special is that we're going to have some big PBs, I believe, possibly behind. No, but Williams at 10.98. Oh, so Brianna Williams just 1/100th of her personal best. But Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
And she didn't get a good start, gentlemen. She was behind Ramona Burchell at 30 meters, but now gets up into a running at 50 and accelerates again away from Brianna Williams and goes through to win in 10.70. And not the best execution from her. We've seen her much more flawless than that, but here, very relaxed, very comfortable. Brianna Williams holding on to her coattail, but too much speed in the end for young Brianna Williams as she eases through for 10.98. Looks in good form, just outside of her personal best of 10.97. But Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, all eyes on her. Nice high sprinting, doesn't spend too much time on the ground. They tell you that sprinters spend 40% of their time on the ground. She's spending a little less than that. Very quick, very smooth. The 4-time world champion over 400 meters, 9 world championship titles for her.
The atmosphere inside the stadium is absolutely electric. Fans are on their feet. Jamaican flags waving high and the tension is thick in the air. Lining up in this women's 100-meter final, we have got some serious firepower. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce standing in lane 4, calm and focused. You can see it in her eyes. That unmistakable look of a champion who is about to do something special. The announcer calls, "On your marks," and the stadium falls silent. Set, bang, and they are off. Shelly-Ann explodes off the blocks like a bullet. That start, it's vintage Shelly-Ann. Her reaction time is almost inhuman. She is already half a stride ahead within the first 20 meters. Shelly-Ann's drive race is perfect. You can see her knees high, her stride powerful, her head down. She is running her own race. At 50 meters, she starts to lift. Smooth transition, and now she is in full flight. The crowd is roaring as she opens a gap. Brianna Williams is chasing hard, but at this is all Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce pure domination. 70, 80, 90 meters. It's over. Shelly-Ann crosses the line first, arms wide open, a radiant smile. The queen reigns supreme again. What a performance! The entire stadium is on its feet. Fans can't believe what they just witnessed. Shelly-Ann, at 38 years old, showing the world that class is permanent. Her time, an astonishing 10.57 seconds. Wind legal, clean, and executed with absolute perfection. Her mechanics never fail. The rhythm, the timing, the balance. She is a master of every detail. Shelly-Ann's explosiveness was on another level tonight. It's experience versus youth, and tonight, experience wins. Let's talk about legacy for a moment. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce isn't just winning races. She is rewriting what's possible in sprinting longevity. After multiple world titles, Olympic medals, and years of dominance, she is still inspiring a new technique. Her start, her finishes, all while inspiring a new generation of sprinters across Jamaica and the world. What separates her from everyone else isn't just speed. It's mindset, that unshakable belief, that drive to prove that greatness doesn't fade. It evolves. This race is just another chapter in her incredible story. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this performance, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce the greatest female sprinter of all time? We want to hear your thoughts. And if you're proud of this Jamaican legend, flood in the comments with Jamaican flag emojis. Don't forget to subscribe for more electrifying races, powerful moments, and inspirational stories from the world of athletics. Because this is what unstoppable speed looks like. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, still the queen of sprint.